In the previous video, children, we have discussed about prime numbers and composite numbers, and in this video we will see what is prime factorization. Prime factorization, prime numbers, already you know which numbers are called prime numbers, and factorization means division. So therefore the meaning of prime factorization is a given number will be divided by prime number to get its prime factor. So prime factorization is to express a composite number as the product of its prime factors. How to do? We have to find out prime factorization by factor tree method, and the method is consist of following steps. Step 1. Divide the given number by a prime number. You know the first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So you have to try to divide the number by a prime number. Step 2. Divide the quotient. Whatever the quotient you will get, that quotient will be divided by a prime number now. And this method you have to continue till you get a prime factor as the quotient and as the divisor both. Step 4. Circle all the prime factors. It will be more clear if you see an example. Now look at the example. Find out the prime factorization of 96 by factor tree method. Look at this 96. This 96 is divisible by 2. It is an even number. The last digit is 6. It is divisible by 2. Therefore the entire number is divisible by 2. When we divide this 96 by 2, we will get 48 as the quotient. 2 4 ja 8. And then 16 is here, then 2 8 just 16. Therefore this 48 is the quotient. Therefore we can say 2 into 48 is equal to 96. The same thing we have written here, 2 into 48. Very importantly, you have to use to divide this number by prime numbers only. Here the first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. And the least prime number is 2. As it is divisible by 2, so we are using this 2 as the divisor. Look at this 48 again, it is divisible by 2. When we divide this 48 by 2, we will get the quotient 24. So therefore this 48 now can be written as 2 into 24. Now 24 again is divisible by 2. Therefore 24 can be written as 2 into 12. And 12 can be written as 2 into 6. Similarly, when we split this 6 or divide the 6 by 2, we can get 2 into 3. Now look at it. This is the last step, as we are getting both the side, divisor and the quotient. 2 and 3 both are prime number. So we are getting 2 into 3 prime number. Now this 3 is a prime number, so we cannot break it, split it further or break it further. Therefore, we can conclude now the prime factorization of 96. What is the prime factorization? The product of all these prime numbers. Prime numbers we have to encircle the product of these prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is the prime factorization of 96. Okay, so we have to represent the prime factorization of 96 in this way. Prime factorization of 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 5 times of 2 and 3.